Hello, my name is Diane Sylvester. I am part of the Adult Learning course for Fall 2019. This is my screencast presentation of my attribute maps. During the class on Adult Learning, it has opened my eyes to the differences between pedagogy and andragogy. Through research of each attribute, it made so much sense, and I found as an adult learner they applied to me. Attribute number 1, need to know, references why as an adult will I make a commitment to further my education. Personally, the most important for me before I took the leap, would I be able to manage my commitments such as my second grade teaching job, my dedication to continue to mentor and help staff, to continue being the PTO liaison, and my commitment to my family and friends. The second important concern for me, was I smart enough to do the work? I was truly concerned if I was up for the challenge since I had earned my Bachelor of Science degree so long ago. Attribute number 2, self-concept, is the change over from being a dependent learner as we are as children to becoming self-directed. As an adult, I am responsible for decisions as to what I want to learn. I love and am fascinated by technology, hence the decision to pursue the MATES program. I feel when I was starting college after high school, the decision I made was based on choosing something for a career. But now that I am an adult in this stage of my life, my desire to further my education is truly for me. Attribute number 3, experience, is the valuable information we bring to our lives, both professionally and personally. Before I was an educator, I was a financial analyst, and although the worlds are total opposites, my experience in banking was indispensable to my teaching career. I already knew how to deal with adults, I understood the corporate hierarchy, and I knew quite a bit about technology. Now that I have been in education for 19 years, I'm able to guide and mentor so many because of my experience from both careers. The other important part of experience is the knowledge I get from my colleagues. Their experience adds to my knowledge. We all bring so much experience to share and learn from. This is so very different for a young learner. Attribute number 4, readiness, are the decisions as an adult you are willing to make to further your learning. The most significant decision for me was I truly ready to open my mind and expand on my existing knowledge. Was I ready to get out of my comfort zone? The second decision that I found as important was I ready to invest financially, even though I would not be compensated nearly enough as compared to the investment. Attribute number 5, orientation of learning, is the interest in learning something and applying it immediately. The most significant question for me was, will I be able to apply my knowledge to my current position? There is no doubt that with only 2 courses nearly completed so far, I have already been able to apply what I have learned. Attribute number 6, motivation, is a huge part of your success as a learner. Personally, when I get overwhelmed, I find it so challenging to stay focused and stay on task. Starting the MATE program challenged me and caused so much anxiety. I felt so overwhelmed juggling work, grad school, and my personal life. However, my motivation to complete and succeed outweighed the anxiety, and I am grateful for this experience. As I reflect, I believe some, not all, of the 6 principles in some way apply to children. Obviously not as in depth, but they can surface for a young learner. I also think of when I was a child. I was always ready, eager, and motivated to learn. I believe these principles were already a huge factor in my decision-making as an adult. And when I decided to go back to school after studying them in this course, it validated my purpose. Thank you for viewing. I wish each and every one of you the very best in all you do.